Peter, fisherman, disciple and leader among the 12. In Matthew 14, when Jesus walked on water, Peter stepped out of the boat, his eyes fixed on the Lord. But in Matthew 26, fear struck again. As Jesus was on trial, Peter denied knowing him once, twice, 3 times. And when the rooster crowed, Peter remembered Jesus' words and wept bitterly. Yet the story didn't end in failure. After the resurrection, Jesus restored Peter, calling him to feed my sheep. Peter went from brokenness to boldness. In Acts 5, people laid the sick in the streets so even Peter's shadow might fall on them and bring healing. In Acts 12, when King Herod imprisoned him, an angel broke his chains and led him to freedom. In 2 Peter 1:14, Peter spoke of his coming death, still faithful to the end. The man who once sank in fear now stood unshakable in faith, proof that God can turn failure into fearless obedience. Peter's story reminds us, God's grace is greater than our worst mistakes. Please like, subscribe, and comment to share what part of Peter's story spoke to you. Download your free ebook, link in the description below. Thank you, God bless, until next time.